Hey everybody, this is Melissa 104 Action Figure Collector on a Budget, and today I don't have an action figure, but I have a collectible from Mass Effect. If you haven't been following my channel, then you wouldn't know what a big fan I am of Mass Effect, and I am waiting with bated breath for Mass Effect Andromeda, which should be coming out hopefully on March the 21st, 2017. I was over at Target with a family member, and I happened to go back into the video area, where they have like the video games and the stuff like that. And I came upon this, which this is not the Normandy. I would be so stoked if this was the Normandy, but I'm still happy because it's really cool looking. This is actually a Sx3 Alliance fighter that was in the video game, where you see the big battle when the Alliance and all their allies, alien and human and everything alike, are going up against the Reapers at Sol, or Earth, in the Sol system. And these are the fighters that you see there. They take off from the big ships, and you hear Shepard, wait for a little bit, and then she says, or he says, I always play a female, but you hear her say, "Fire!" And then these little ships take off. And I thought this was really cool. This is the top of the box, and this is one of the sides where you can see that it has the Alliance symbol as the base on the bottom. And here's the other side, which it shows the fighter, the base, and then like the top of the fighter. This particular item has BioWare's symbol on it. I don't know if you can see that. It has BioWare, and then it has the EA symbol on it. This particular thing here was made though by Dark Horse. Okay, and the reason that I mentioned that is because I've looked at a lot of reviews of the Normandy that's also made by the Dark Horse company, and they have gotten a lot of flack because they said that the detail and the painting is really sloppy, like a child might have done. On this particular model, though, I have it right here on my desk. The detail and painting is very good. You can make out everything on there. You can make out the Sx3. You can make out the Alliance symbol. You can make out it. It has a number on the back tail, says R1Y288, and it says that on both sides. That's right here on the very back. You might not can't see it because it probably won't focus that well for you, but the painting is very good. I maybe they saw, or they got some of the feedback on their painting. On the bottom of the base, it has some writing, and I'll read that to you. It says Mass Effect BioWare. Mass Effect 2013 EA International Studio and Publishing Ltd. Mass Effect. Mass Effect logo. BioWare and BioWare logo are trademarks or registered trademarks of EA International Studios and Publishing Ltd. in the U.S. and in other countries. All rights reserved. EA and EA logo are trademarks or registered trademarks of Electric Arts Incorporated in the U.S. and or other countries. Dark Horse Deluxe. That's who actually made this figure. Dark Horse Deluxe is a trademark of Dark Horse Comics Incorporated. All rights reserved. This figure was actually made in China. I love it. It's not as big as, say, my Star Wars figures, but this is metal. You can feel it. This is metal. The base, not sure. I don't think the base is metal, but the actual ship is metal. And it's really nice. I love it. If I can, I'm going to pick up maybe a newer version of the Normandy from Dark Horse to add to my Mass Effect collection. I have Shepard. I have Little Shepard, the little bobblehead vinyl figure or Funko figure. I have one 6 scale shepherd that I got from Sideshow Collectibles, and I also have Talazora. She's a statue. Those I'm really excited because with Mass Effect Andromeda, I got into Mass Effect late, so I really didn't get a chance to get all the collectibles and different things that are coming with it. I did get a chance to get the what was it Art of Mass Effect. I did get that, and I've pre-ordered the Art of Mass Effect Andromeda. So I pre-ordered that. Pre-ordered the game. I think that's pretty much it that I've ordered so far. And then I have this ship that I bought, and then the other things that I mentioned. Really, really love that game. That's my favorite game. I do play other games as well, but BioWare has really been teasing us, so I'm really ready for it to drop on March the 21st. And like I said, I've already pre-ordered it. So this is Melissa 104 Action Figure Collector on a Budget.